Blade and I are replacing the brakes today. I'm just going to double check these ones, make sure they're good and tight. Now, can you go and do the other side? The sun's bright. It's January. How warm is it today, Blade?
60.
Yeah, probably 65. Almost off the ground. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that brace under there, then I'm going to lower it back on top of that. Alright. Make sure it's all in. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna lower the truck just a little bit so we're got a margin of safety here. There we go. Now it's resting on two supports. So Blade and I just looked at these brakes, and if you look at this pad right here, I don't know if you can see this, but it's got more metal in the middle than it has on the side. So I was wondering why it would do that. But when I looked at the back here, you can see that there's a groove in here, so the outside of this is it has more metal on it. So we're gonna have to replace this because it's gonna be wore down too much. We'll have to turn it or replace it, but we're just gonna replace it. So what piece do we have to take off next, Blade?
This one.
Yep, well, we can take off first before we can take that off.
This.
Yep, that piece. I gotta take that piece off. Blade's pulling this bracket off now. There's two of them there. Good job. It's got to be 65 degrees today, maybe pushing 70. Or maybe not 70, but it's warm. So it's a good day to replace the back brake. We loaded up this morning with all the metal we could find, like junk metal, like old grills, right, Blade? Some hard drives. What else do we find? Oh, all the old brake rotors, like this one right here, we're going to take down, throw away. And I think we'll get about $50 for the metal today. All the metal we found. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Good job. So Blade pulled off. Show me the part you pulled off. There you go. Good job. Pound on it. See if the rotor comes off. That rotor drum assembly. Give it a good kick with your foot or something. There you go. Now wiggle it off. See how it's got a ridge? It's like worn, and then this edge right here is still high, it's just not going to be good. So we need to replace this. You want to put it back in the truck with the other stuff? Do you want me to do it? So we'll go down and get a new one today. Tricycle, we got an old.
Did we already put the other one in there?
An old chainsaw that is no good anymore. Yep, you got it. You probably put that. That's right. You put a little more there. Right there is good. You got it. Yep, almost. Good job. That's good. Now you can do the other one.
We tightened up this thing.
Yeah, push the pistons back in.
And
all right. That's all we can do for now.
Yeah.
We'll go pick up the part later here. Ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Pooper! Enjoy your day out, okay? Off to do all chores. What are the stops we're making today, Blade?
Drop the stuff off at the metal place.
Yep.
And get new brakes.
New brakes. You know what? Something shiny out in the woods over there.
I don't remember.
What is that? Something shiny in our woods. And we got to drop off the eBay packages, right? We got to drop off the movies. Let's go see what that shiny thing is in the woods. It looks like it might be a kite or a balloon or something.
Someone lost it.
Trees are creaking. Look at the wind. So if it's this windy in here, Blade, it must be really windy outside of here. We have all these trees that block probably 90% of the wind that gets through here. All right, let's go. I was just thinking that we're gonna throw away Blade's stroller today. Are you sad?
No.
We're throwing away your stroller?
No.
Little Blade stroller. Blade says it's everybody's stroller. See, it's in the back, right there. See it? All the kids. Lasted all of our kids. So we've had that stroller for over 14 years. Wow. That's awesome. Those people buy a stroller every year. It's a waste of money. What's it say on it? We pay cash for all metal.
They ain't getting the money right now.
Huh? No money.
Just gave that guy last $6.
Oh no, then what do you do?
You wait and give you I owe you. I think everybody took off today. That's why I'm out of money.
Man, a lot of sick people in there.
Yeah, look, you nice back there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I just finished dropping off all of our metal, and how much money did we get, Late?
$68.
No, but did we actually get $68?
No.
Why not?
They were out of money.
They're out of cash. So what'd they give us?
I don't know.
So we got an IOU from the metal yard for $68.27. Pretty good. Look at that cool boat. Look at that. That's a good fishing boat right there. Wow, that wind is so strong it wasn't letting me open up the door. Got our brakes, babe. All right, Blade. We're having fun hanging out today. Well, we'll see what. I think I'm gonna go out to the light. It might be easier to get out of here at the light. All right, lunch break. Home of the Whopper. Look what we got. All right, push return. All right, insert disc.
You?
Yep. Now we can go home and fix the brakes. We're home. Do you think Mom's home?
Yes.
We're home. That's it. Mission complete. Well, the mission's not complete till we get the brakes on the truck. Blade's getting that tightened up. Next one. Good, stop. All right. Oh, there you go. Good job, Blade. We just finished working the brakes, and We pulled the truck around front. Blade wrapped things up, right, Blade? Put tools away. You did a good job. Good job. Okay.